Welcome to this contest capture tutorial. In today's video, we will learn how to automatically detect cracks on concrete structures and export them as 3D lines. To demonstrate this, I will use this project that has already been processed. It consists in a very small project, about 50 photos around a bridge pile. We have here the arrow triangulation results, and I've also produced a reality mesh in 3SM formats. We can review the production here. So very simple acquisition, just for the demonstration. And we can already spot that there are some cracks in there, and we want to automatically detect them and export 3D lines. So to get started, we want to press the plus button and start a new extract feature job. Here you can see the list of all jobs that are available, and the one that we are interested in that case, is the 3D line detection. So we'll just select it, and this will bring us to the setting page. Here we want to first select the inputs. As an input, we can use a mesh or a point cloud that is part of the project. In that case, I will use the 3SM productions that I've already processed, but I could use also the COPC productions that I've already processed as well. We can start from a segmented point cloud, but it's more advanced workflows that we will cover later. Then we are going to adjust the feature extraction settings. For 3D line detection, there are two modes. We can either extract 3D lines directly from the mesh or point clouds with 3D segmentation, or extract the cracks in the photos and use the mesh to reproject the lines into 3D with the 2D segmentation mode. For this example, we will use this 2D segmentation on photos. Therefore, we must choose which oriented photo set to use. It is automatically selecting the current block as an input, so we'll keep it. Then we will choose the detector we want to use. To download the detector, press the download button. This will bring you to Contest Capture Detector page. Just select the relevant detector and download it. Then browse your local files to select the XML descriptions of the detector. For 3D lines detection, there are a few additional settings that you can modify. You can enable the line width computation. This will populate the line width information in the output, and you can also remove small components automatically using a custom threshold. When you're all set, just press Create. This will create a new item in the Analysis section in the project Preview. This item has multiple tabs. The Overview one gives you the status of the analysis job, and the Setting page allows you to review the settings used. When ready, just press Submit. You will be prompted with the choice of output you want to create. By default, PNGs and contest scene will be produced. They are mandatory for displaying the results in Contest Capture. For the 3D lines, you can choose to produce it in DGN and Cesium 3D tiles format. You can also adjust the spatial reference system if needed. When ready, press Submit. The job is picked up by a Contest Capture engine, so make sure that you have one running so that the job can start. When the process is completed, you can go to the Result tab to check the crack detection results. You can review the 2D images and see what the 2D segmentation classified as cracks. You can see the 3D lines in the 3D view alongside the reality mesh. You can also use the Layers tool to choose what you want to see on screen and toggle the mesh on and off, and same for the analysis results. Then you can just open the production folder and use your productions in third-party applications. For example, here we will open the 3D lines DGN file in Contest Capture Editor. This automatically opens the 3D lines with the reality mesh attachment, and you can then edit, add, and remove lines if necessary. Thank you for following this tutorial. We are looking forward to hearing from you about this tech preview feature so we can further improve it in the future.